Hey guys, it's Rhonda. Come and make a wedding broom with me. So the first thing that I did was painted the berries on the orchids. Then I added satin ribbon to the bottom of the broom. I made sure that when I was putting the ribbon on there that I pulled it really nice and tight where there was no extra slack within it. As you guys know, I am a super neat freak. I made sure the back of the broom to the front of the broom looked amazing. I'm now adding the orchids to the front of the broom, and I did use wire to make sure that it was nice and secure. So the color of this wedding is white and gold, and I'm adding these beautiful gold leaves to the side of the orchids. Here I'm adding more satin ribbon to hide all of my mechanics. I'm making sure too to pull it nice and tight so that it will not have any slack in it. I am all about the detail, so I'm adding this beautiful gold leaf trim to the bottom of the broom. All right, so now I'm making a bow with the satin ribbon. Can you believe it? No wire. All right, so here's some final touches. I add some trim to the ribbon. I add these beautiful pearls, and voila, look how beautiful it turned out. Before you go, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to push that notification bell. We're Rhonda's Creative Corner on all social media. Bye-bye.